Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful stir fried veggies which pairs well with garlic fried rice, noodles, ghee rice, or you can roll this stir fried veggies in rotis and you can eat it. Very nice and tasty. I've prepped all the ingredients for this. I've cleaned and reserved all my veggies, washed it, chopped it into equal length sizes, and I've reserved like the beans, carrot. Then we need capsicum. You can use any color. I've used three colors here. Then mushroom, baby corn, onion. You can also use broccoli. And we need to finely chop and reserve ginger and garlic, slit green chilies. I'll be using peas, dried red chilies. I'm using very simple set of masalas here, that is soya sauce, vinegar, green chili sauce. I'm using 8 to 8 sauce. 8 to 8 sauce is nothing but date syrup. You can use date syrup, you can chop up and add dates, or you can just puree your dates and add it. The dates gives a very nice taste and flavor to this dish. Here I'm going to steam cook my veggies. I'm doing it in a very simple method. Always heat a heavy bottom pot. Here I'm using a heavy bottom pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker I've added my beans and carrot. Then I've also added my peas. I'll just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix all the veggies once. Cover it. So in the cooker lid you place the gasket and you cover the cooker and cook the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Your veggies will cook faster and it will steam cook. It will become tender as soon as possible. So now here you can see the veggies I've cooked. Now I'll add the other veggies. I've added my baby corn. Then I'll add the mushrooms. Mushrooms normally I tend to cook it at the very end. Then I'll add the mushrooms. You can add the mushrooms now itself. Just mix it once and cook it for 2 minutes. The mushrooms release a lot of moisture, so you have to be very careful when you are adding your water content. Otherwise your veggies will go soggy. So that's the only thing that I look into. I add very less amount of water and cook all the veggies. You try this way of steam cooking your veggies. The flavor and taste of veggies is completely different from the normal steam cooking that we are used to. We always pour the water, then place a steam basket, and then we steam cook. So that is little bit laborious, I feel. This is very easy. You try it this way, you'll really enjoy your stir fried veggies, or you can use these veggies for different recipes. Here I've added the mushrooms and I cooked it for another 2 minutes. This is how I steam cook my veggies these days. The flavor and taste is completely different. Whatever ingredients I missed in this recipe while talking to you friends, that will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed blog post is posted, blog link, my other social media handlings, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and my Tamil channel link where I post all the recipes in Tamil language will be listed in the description box below this video. So all the links and all the ingredients used in this recipe links will be in the description box below this video. Now let's start preparing the stir fry. I've heated a wok on medium flame. I've added sesame oil, placed it on high flame, allowed the sesame oil to smoke up nicely, then placed it on medium flame. Now once the sesame oil has heated up very well, that is when I'll be adding my ginger and garlic. Finely chop your ginger and garlic and add it. Then add your dried red chilies and slit green chilies. We'll fry the ginger and garlic for a minute's time. Then we'll add our cubed onions. So the onions I've cubed, then I've separated the onions and added it. Now we'll fry the onions for another minute's time. Place this on high flame. Don't cook this on low flame. If you cook it on low flame, your veggies will become very soggy. So cook it on high flame. All those stir fried items you have to do it on high flame. Don't cook it on slow flame. Now we'll add our chopped capsicum, that is bell peppers, and we'll fry it for a minute's time. Now I've added my steam cooked veggies and I'll stir fry all the veggies and cook it for 2 minutes. Now we'll start adding all our sauces and masala. Here I've added salt, white pepper powder. I've added my green chili sauce, soya sauce, and you can use date syrup, or you can puree your dates and add it, chop your dates and add it. It's up to you. If you like that sweet taste, you can add it or leave it out. I've added my date syrup. Now I'll give all this a good stir and fry it. Also mix some corn flour and reserve it. The reason I'm using date syrup is because I'm avoiding all the other sauces which have too much of preservatives. This date syrup is very healthy and it's tasty. So you can avoid the other sauces, and the stir fry veggies taste the same. Here I've added a tiny amount of sugar and salt and white pepper powder. Stir fry the veggies. Now the corn flour that I mixed and reserved earlier, that corn flour slurry is what I'll be adding now, and stir fry the veggies for another 2 minutes. Friends, if I missed telling you any ingredient in this recipe video, will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my other social media handlings, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and also my Tamil channel link. So do visit the description box below this video for more information. Now my stir fried veggies are ready. I've served it as hot as possible. You can serve it with ghee rice, garlic noodles, fried rice, garlic fried rice, or roll it into rotis and eat it. It is absolutely yummy. Give this recipe a try. Post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.